Hello, my name is Russell Preston Brown. I work here at Adobe, and in fact, I've worked here for 41 years. I'm currently a senior principal designer. Creativity is all about your curiosity. So I was curious about all different forms of art and all different forms of science. I was hired by John Warrock and Chuck Geschke, the founders of the company. That's quite an honor. My day-to-day responsibilities can vary from doing print testing to doing Illustrator testing to doing Photoshop testing, Firefly testing. Outside of work, I'm a costume maker, designer, and photographer. I like to take Cirque du Soleil performers and put them in the desert. Dry lake bed, mountains, rocks, this juxtaposition. And also, I design and create special events for students. A hands-on project. We print it, we image it, and then we put everything on display at Adobe Max. Thousands of people get to see what these students have done. Fall in love with what you love doing, you become the expert, and the world will come and find you.